Atlas and Unitree H1 robots can move really fast, up to 5.5 miles per hour and 7 meters per second respectively. But the Tesla Optimus moves much slower, only at 1.75 miles per hour. Even though it's slower, people are still talking about whether it's worth buying. Elon Musk, who made the Tesla bot, isn't too worried about speed. He cares more about making it efficient and useful, especially with its upper body functions. Maybe being slow and steady is what matters most here. Let's get into today's topic. Tesla is no longer just about cars, it's about something much bigger. They are also focusing on robotics with the Tesla Optimus. At present, they are working on the basics of walking or gait, which is a big step before they can teach more complex things. People are keen to know how fast the Tesla bot walks, but it is very hard to make a machine walk like a human being. It is because you should take care of so many things, like how its joints move, how it senses things, how long its battery lasts, and how it gets its power. Milan Kovac, who is the name of the person that has been mentioned, says that the Tesla robot has become even faster after the update in December and even faster in February. One of the rumors says that it might be able to walk 5 miles per hour, but Tesla hasn't officially confirmed it yet. The purpose of the robot from Tesla is to be good at moving around in various places, including factories and houses, and avoiding obstacles. Tesla has concentrated on the fact that the robot's joints are well designed to work with 28 electric motors in order to achieve that. This gives it the capacity to do many movements, such as normal walking and doing things like running, jumping, and lifting heavy objects. Whereby Tesla's Optimus robot and the Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics are alike, they each have their pros and cons. Atlas is known to be fast, reaching speeds of up to 5.12 miles per hour by moving its arm through the hydraulic system. Hydraulics are perfect for power and strength, but they can be bad for leaks and noise. While Megatron depends on a fuel system which may be susceptible to wear and tear, Optimus uses an electric system, which is more durable, energy efficient, and easier to maintain. It is not the fastest one like Atlas, but it is reliable and quiet. Another competitor is Unitree's H1 version 3 Evolution robot that is able to achieve the highest speed among humanoid robots, 7.38 miles per hour. Unitree is accepting pre-orders for the H1 in the range of $90,000 to $150,000. So if you're looking for a robot, you'll need to think about what's most important to you. The player might be the one who is the fastest, the most durable, or a completely different type of character. What Tesla's Optimus brings is reliability and efficiency, and what the Unitree's H1 is about is speed. In the end, it is about the right choice for your budget and requirement. The Tesla robot Optimus, which is a new invention, has been seen recently in a video where it is shown to be capable of moving around the Tesla factory. There is no evidence whether it moves through labeled spots on the floor or not. Tesla demonstrated Optimus's skills through video. Observation is a key factor to Optimus while moving, and Tesla installed it with 8 small cameras and multiple radar sensors, thus making it a complete 360-degree view of its surroundings. It gives Optimus a 360-degree vision, which is especially useful in places like Tesla's factory with lots of machinery, moving parts, and places to navigate. Tesla is capable of using the data from its full self-driving technology to assist Optimus in making intelligent decisions about the direction to take. Although this tech is still improving, Optimus is already doing a good job keeping an eye on the surroundings while it moves. While some people might ask for Optimus to be faster, the majority of the community is concerned about accuracy, and Tesla is working on the development of its FSD tech to increase the efficiency of Optimus. Optimus's battery performance is going to be a key factor in how well it does its job, whether it needs to be moved around a lot or is mostly going to stay in one place. It has a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery and is quite efficient, using only 100 watts when it is not doing anything and 500 watts when it is walking. This is possible because Optimus can still work well even when it's moving slowly. In addition to this, after the update, Optimus became 30 pounds lighter, from 160 pounds to 138 pounds, which helps it use energy more effectively and improves its performance in general. Milan Kovac's recent work on Optimus has enabled it to run as fast as 6 meters per second. It is not a breaking through, but it gives us a good knowledge of what Optimus is capable of. As Tesla is going to continue to speed up the pace of Optimus, it might get faster. If Tesla keeps improving its speed by 30% every 3 months until Optimus's 2025 launch date, it will become faster and faster. Scott Walter, a professional, loved the way Optimus was sharply turning. He pointed out that it took 132 steps in 78 seconds, meaning that he averaged 1.67 steps in a second. Every time the step is raised above 1 foot, the robot shows good moving abilities, even if it is not very fast. However, the fact that Optimus can lift its foot and perform tasks like this signifies the emerging advancements in robotics. Lifting its foot may seem like an easy matter, but it's the key for Optimus to perform properly, move steadily, and accelerate promptly. This skill is the core of Optimus's advanced tasks like running, climbing the stairs, and overcoming the barriers. It reveals the exactness of Tesla's engineering team in creating Optimus's movements. The present walking speed of Optimus 1.3 miles per hour might not be the 5 miles per hour, but it has the ability to pass through a factory environment swiftly. Contrary to humans whose gait is 3 miles per hour, the Optimus is slower, but its speed is still a great achievement for the use of the factory at Tesla. Although speeding up is one of the possible targets for future updates, making robots more capable of movement is a time-consuming process. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot took 30 years to achieve the speed of 5.5 mph. In a factory setting, the speed of an Optimus should be about 1.5 to 2 miles per hour to get a smooth movement without any interruption. As Tesla has improved its speed, there are more important issues rather than speed. Elon Musk believes that the robot is able to replace the human being doing the same tasks, which are both repetitive and risky. Unlike robots such as Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which can accomplish tasks like search and rescue, Optimus is designed to minimize unnecessary movement and instead focus on efficiency. Customer and Tesla both focus on the robot's ability to be versatile and functional, not getting it fast. Daily activities such as organizing, folding clothes, using a vacuum cleaner, and even having a conversation are enhanced and simplified by robotics, a field in which Optimus excels. Therefore, for these purposes, the speed is not the main factor, and the functionality and flexibility are the key points. Optimus now moves confidently to avoid comparisons to Joe Biden. Business Insiders reports high demand for humanoid robots, projecting a $38 billion market by 2035 with over 250,000 robots expected by 2030, not limited to Tesla. Optimus's unveiling marks a significant advancement in robotics, with its walking ability offering potential for various tasks, from household chores to healthcare.